Have you ever ordered something online and felt worried when there was a problem? Do you feel nervous talking to customer support in English? Today, we are going to learn how to talk to online customer support. You will learn simple words and easy sentences to ask for help, refunds, and delivery updates. Let's begin.
Hello. Thank you for contacting customer support.
Hello. Thank you.
My name is Alex. How can I help you today?
I have a problem with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. Please tell me your problem.
My order is late. I did not receive it yet.
Can you please give me your order number?
Yes. My order number is 12345.
Thank you. Please wait a moment. I am checking your order.
Okay. I will wait.
I can see your order now. What is the issue?
My order is late. I did not receive it yet.
I understand. When did you place the order?
I placed the order 5 days ago.
Okay. Let me check the delivery status.
Thank you.
Your order is on the way, but there is a delay.
Oh. Why is it delayed?
There is a delivery issue in your area.
I see. When will I get my order?
You will receive it in 2 more days.
Okay. Thank you for telling me. Can you send me a message when it arrives?
Yes. We will send you a notification.
That is helpful. I also have another problem.
Okay. Please tell me.
I received the wrong item.
I'm sorry about that. What item did you receive?
I ordered a blue shirt, but I received a black shirt.
I understand. Let me check your order details.
Okay.
Yes. I can see that you ordered a blue shirt.
Yes. That is correct.
I apologize for the mistake.
It's okay.
Would you like a replacement or a refund?
What is a replacement?
A replacement means we send you the correct item.
Okay. I would like a replacement.
Sure. We will send you a blue shirt.
Thank you.
You need to return the black shirt.
How can I return it?
We will send you a return label. You just need to pack the item.
Okay. That sounds easy.
A delivery person will pick it up.
Great.
Can you confirm your address, please?
Yes. My address is the same as before.
Okay. I have confirmed your address.
I have one more question.
Sure. Please go ahead.
What if the item is damaged?
If the item is damaged, you can contact us anytime.
Okay.
We will give you a refund or replacement.
That is good to know. If I choose a refund, how long will it take?
The refund will take 5 to 7 days.
Okay. Thank you for explaining. Will the refund go to my card?
Yes. The refund will go to the same payment method.
Okay. Can I cancel an order?
Yes. You can cancel before it is shipped.
How can I cancel it?
You can cancel it from your account.
That is easy. When can I contact customer support?
You can contact us anytime. We are available 24 hours.
That is great.
Let me summarize.
Okay.
Your delivery will arrive in 2 days. We will send a replacement for the blue shirt, and we will arrange a pickup for the wrong item.
Thank you for the summary. You are very helpful.
Thank you. I'm happy to help.
Thank you for your support.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No. That is all.
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Great job for listening today. Now you know how to talk to customer support in English. You learned how to ask about late delivery, wrong items, damaged products, refunds, and cancellations. Remember, you don't need difficult English. Simple words are enough. Clear sentences are enough. Practice these conversations. Use them when you shop online. And speak with confidence. Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like.
Yes, and if you want to practice English like this every day, subscribe to our channel. We help you practice and improve English faster.
Yes, let's improve our English together. We will see you in the next video. Bye!